And he's like, I'm not playing anymore.
You want to eat it? Is this a funny toy for you? Do you think it's funny too?
I didn't get that away.
You want this one?
Now you like that one.
Now
you like that
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Ooh, go get it. Can we get it? You got it. You like this? Actually, they're looking at each other to see the other one is laughing.
And one laughs and the other one laughs.
Yeah. We need to get one of these.
Is that hilarious?
Is
that hilarious? Yeah.
Reach for it. Go reach it. Go get it. Go get it.
Where's your ball? Where's the ball?
No, she's going for your hair, I
I know,
think.
she's like, anything was hanging.
Oh,
Good job.
And maybe this easy to amuse them for a long time.
okay.
Which is funny because last time she
I
hated
know, she
that
was
ball.
totally afraid of it.
Hated it. Wow.
If we knew that this was what it was going to take to put her in a good mood, we would have
Yeah.
brought this out a
Have
long time
coochies
ago.
everywhere.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, you're using your wrong hand.
You gotta put that hand
This
down.
hand, this hand. Okay, you going to get this one?